section. Today's section is for first standard students. Yes people, as you people know, in the previous chapter we have completed the sad and the mouse lesson. Yes children, and with that even I have sent you the lesson behind the grammar notes also. Now in the grammar part we have completed the topic the rhyming words. Now I am back with a new topic in the grammar part, that is picture composition. Yes, what is the new topic children? Picture composition. Yes, this is the name of the topic. Now, children, here they have given some picture. You all can open your textbook also. You all can see in the textbook page number 61. What is the page number? Page number 61 in your textbook. So here, now let us start children. See, look at the pictures and write 3 sentences on each. Yes, children, here you can see they have given the picture here. Yes, this is the picture. What picture is this children? Can somebody tell me what picture is this? Yes, now you can see it clearly. Yes, what picture is this? This is the classroom children. Yes, what is this? This is the classroom. And here in the classroom, what all things you are seeing here in this picture? There is a small window. Yes, and there is a green board. Which board is there children? Green board. And there is a table also for the teacher. Yes. What is there children? What is there children for the teacher? Table. Yes, you can see the table children. Yes. And what are kept on the table children? What thing is kept on the table? Books. What are the things kept on the table children? They are books. Here you can see the children are sitting. Yes. Where the children are sitting? They are sitting on the benches. On what? On the benches. So here you can see 2 girls and 2 boys sitting on the benches. Yes, and this picture is not clear. Maybe a boy. Yes. And what they are having on the benches children? What thing is kept there? What they are doing? They are studying. What they are doing? They are studying. And what the teacher is doing here? Can you tell me what the teacher is doing here? The teacher is teaching. Yes, the teacher is teaching. Yes, children. Okay, and here down, one more picture is there. Okay, see here, first I will clear this. They have given 3 words children, that is classroom, teaching, reading. How many words? 3 words. Now what we have to do? We have to use these 3 words and make 3 sentences. Yes children, what we have to do? We have to use the 3 words. Yes children, we have to use these 3 words. You can see classroom, teaching and reading. We have to take these all 3 words and we have to write 3 sentences what we can see in the picture given. What all things we can see in the picture given? By using these 3 words, by seeing at this picture, we have to write 3 sentences. How many sentences children? 3 sentences. Yes. Here down you can see children, they have said, what is this picture? This is the market. Which market? Which market, children? Vegetable market. Yes, which market is this? Vegetable market. Yes, your parents will also go to the market now, children, to buy the vegetables. Who will bring vegetables for you people? Who will bring vegetables? Your parents. Yes, your parents will bring vegetables, fruits. Yes or no? So you see there, so many vegetables are there with the vegetable seller, and he is a old man. Yes, children, he is a old man. And even you can see there the boy, the man, the boy. Yes, what he is doing? He is setting the pumpkins. Yes, children, which fruit is this? Pumpkin. He is setting the pumpkins. And here you can see the lady is buying vegetables. And here you can see the boy is watching. Yes, children, what the boy is doing here? The boy is watching what his mother is doing, what she is buying, what vegetables are there. Yes, so the man has weighted the vegetables and he is pouring them in one basket. The lady has waved her hand, the basket, to take the vegetables from the man. And here you can see, children, they have given 3 words, that is market. What is this first word? Market. And then this is vegetables, and then this is buying tomatoes. Yes, what thing the lady is buying from that man now? She is buying the tomatoes. Yes, children, she is buying the tomatoes. So here we see many different things. Yes, but they have given market, vegetables, buying tomatoes. With these 3 words only, we have to write the 3 sentences, children. Okay, now let us. So now let us start, children. Children, what they have asked us, look at the pictures and write 3 sentences on each. Yes, whatever picture is given there, we have to see that picture. We have to look at that picture. We have to observe the picture. And then we have to write the correct sentences. Yes. Here they have shown one classroom. In that one classroom, we can see there is a green board. And the teacher is teaching. And the students are writing the notes. They are reading. And they are writing the notes also. So here, children, you also come to school now, children, every day? Yes. What all things do you find in your classroom? Only board, table and chair. Only that much? No. You find many different things. Yes, blackboard will be there. There will be a cupboard for your documents to keep. There will be a table, chair for the teacher. Whiteboard will be there. Yes, benches are there for you people to sit. There will be a dustbin to sharpen your things. Yes or no? We see many things. Window will be there. Yes or no? Yes. So there are many such things in the classroom. So they have said us use the 3 words and write the sentences. So here first one is what, children? They have said here classroom. Classroom, and then teaching. Teaching. And then the last is reading. Reading. Yes? Now we have to write the sentences by using these 3 words. Yes, first we will write here first one. First one I will write here, children. So, first one they written classroom. Yes, the children, or you can write the students. The students are sitting in a classroom. The students are sitting in a classroom. Second one. The teacher is teaching. The teacher is teaching. Next. Third one is what? The students are reading. The students are reading. So here, first sentence what we have written, children, they are given classroom. Yes or no? Classroom is given. So the first sentence I have written, the students are sitting in a class. The teacher is teaching. The students are reading. If you want, you can write two more sentences also. That the classroom has a green board. Green board. The classroom has a green board. One more I will give children. No problem if you write extra also. Okay? Yes. I will, or you can write instead of I will. The classroom has many desks to sit. The classroom has many desks to sit. Yes. Yes. So 2 I have given extra. The students are sitting in the class. The teacher is teaching. The students are reading. The classroom has a green board. The classroom has many desks in the to sit, or you can write in the class also. Yes. So now next part they have given, that is vegetable market. Vegetable market. So let me rub this children first. Next one is here. Market. Market. Vegetables. Vegetables. And next is buying tomatoes. Buying tomatoes. Buying tomatoes. Yes. So, even your parents will go to the market. Yes, they go to the market, children. When they go to the market, they bring many different types of things. Yes or no? When we go to the vegetable market, we buy different types of vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, lady's finger, radish, carrot, tomatoes, potato, lady's finger, spinach, many different types of vegetables we buy. Coriander leaves. Yes or no? See, so many different types of vegetables we buy, children. Why? Because we need vegetables to eat. Yes or no? Then when you go to the fruit market, what are things you buy in the fruit market, children? You buy many different types of fruits like orange, then mango, banana, guava, chiku, sapota, pomegranate. See, so many different types of kiwi. Many different types of fruits we get in the market. We buy according to the seasons. The fruits and vegetables are available in the market. Now in this month you can find more cucumbers and carrot, radish. More. You can find more, and green clusters also you can find more nowadays. Yes or no? In this month, especially in this month. And after 2 months you can find more mangoes in the month of March, April and May. We eat more mangoes because there are seasons for vegetables and fruits. Yes or no? Every time, every day we won't find all types of vegetables in the market. According to some seasons, we purchase the things which are available in the market, children. Yes. So here the lady has gone to the market. Why she has gone to the market, children? She wants to buy the vegetable. When you people go with your parents for the market, you just observe your parents how they bargain with the vegetable seller. If he says 15 rupees per kg, then mummy will tell 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಜಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, 25 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅರ್ಧ ಕೆಜಿ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ, mummy will tell. Yes or no? If he says 15 rupees per kg, then mummy will reduce full 10 rupees and mummy will tell 20 rupees I will give you, you give me half kg. Yes. So this way we bargain with the people, and then we buy. He says the onions are 100 rupees kg, then mummy will say 60 rupees kg you will give me 60 rupees kg. If he says tomato 50 rupees kg, then mummy will say 30 rupees you will give me, 40 rupees you will give me, mummy will ask. We bargain with the vegetable seller. We fix the rate. We don't take what rate they say. We won't buy the things according to their rate. We bargain with them and then we buy some vegetables. Yes or no? We buy some vegetables. Once we bargain them. Bargain andre our jote ನಾವು ವ್ಯವಹಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ we say, and then we buy the things. So here also same like that only, the lady she is buying the vegetables, and they have given the words for children here: market, vegetables, and then buying tomatoes. So the first question here is what? The lady is in a vegetable market. Vegetable market. Yes. She is buying tomatoes. What? Tomatoes. She is buying tomatoes. Then next is what? Tomato is finished. Vegetable market. There are many vegetables. Many vegetables in the market. In the market. 3 sentences they are given. So I wrote 3 sentences. Yes. What is that? The lady is in the vegetable market. She is buying tomatoes. There are many vegetables in the market. There are many vegetables in the market. So next, here we can see the boy is looking at the vegetables. Looking at the vegetables. Looking at the vegetable. The man is setting the pumpkins. Pumpkins. The man is setting the pumpkins. Yes, we can find the many things, children. Yes. So we have completed this picture composition. We have completed this picture composition. Yes. Here you can see, children, there is one more topic. Yes, what we can find? So children, there is one more topic, then I will complete that topic in the next video. Till then, you see these notes and copy these notes in your textbook. Children, remember, they have asked us to write only 3 sentences, but I have given 2 sentences extra related to the picture only. So you can write and then send me the photocopy on the school app channel. Then I will be in front of you with the new topic with the next video. And now I will conclude my class by this. Thank you, children. Have a great day.